In this video, we're looking at how to deploy Access Server on Azure. You need to have an OpenVPN account. If you do not have the account, please visit our website, openvpn.net, click on Get Started for free, and create an account. Once you're done, click on Sign In, and then choose Access Server, and sign in with the email address and a password that you used to create your account. This will take you to Access Server portal. From here, you can deploy Access Server by clicking on this link in the middle of the page, or click on Install Access Server from the left menu. Access Server is available for a number of platforms. We're talking about Azure today, so let's select Azure here. If you scroll down, you can see there are two steps. Step one, we need to select our subscription. For the purpose of this demo, I'm using the two free connections, but if you have other subscriptions, you can choose that from the drop-down menu. The second step is clicking on Launch Access Server on Azure. This will take you to custom deployment on Azure platform. From here, you choose your subscription, then your resource group. Let me choose that. And then you want to give a name to your Access Server. You can leave it as default OpenVPN Access Server or name it to whatever is needed. Then for the VM architecture, machine size, and disk type, I'm going to leave it as default again for the purpose of this demo, but you pick the one that is more suitable for your environment. When it comes to admin username, you can change it. The default Azure user, I'm going to leave it as is. For SSH public key, you can either generate a new key pair, or if you already have one, you can choose that. Again, I'm going to generate a new one here. So let's go ahead, give a name to this key. Then the last two steps is choosing your VNET and your subnet. Once done, click on Review and Create. If everything checks out, then you should be able to click on Create. Now it's asking us to download our key pair. If you remember, we generated a new key pair, so this is when we need to download it. Make sure you download this if you're generating one, because you won't be able to download this later on. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on Download and Create. This will download my key and start creating the new VM. And as you can see, it's submitting the deployment. It's in progress. This is going to take a few minutes. I'll come back when it's done. Our deployment is complete. Now the next step is getting our temporary password. If you look at on the left menu, we have an option. It says Outputs. Go ahead, click on that. And here we go. We have the temporary password here, and we do have the link for our admin user interface. So let's go ahead, copy this. I'm going to open up another window here, paste the address and hit enter. We'll see this message because this is the first time we're logging into our Access Server. We don't have a digital certificate installed yet, and Access Server is using a self-signed certificate. We're going to bypass this. And now we can use our username. The username is OpenVPN, and we're going to get our temporary password here. So let's go ahead, copy this, and head back to Admin UI and paste that password. Go ahead, click on Sign In. The first time when you log in, you need to accept the license agreement. Please read through it and click on Agree. The first thing I recommend to everyone, changing the temporary password. So go to Users, and you can see the OpenVPN. Click on Edit and type a new password here. Once done, click on Save and restart the Access Server. At any time, if you need to update or upgrade your activations and subscription, click on Activation. And from here, you can click on Go to Access Server Portal. This will take you to Access Server Portal here, and you can click on Activation Keys. From here, you can either upgrade your plan or purchase a new key. Either one is going to take you to this screen. You can choose the number of connection you need. You can choose your billing cycle, annually or monthly, and then purchase it. Once done, you will get an activation key such as this one you see on the screen. You can copy this and head back to your admin user interface, and then click on the menu and choose Replace Subscription License Key. Here you're going to paste that activation key and click on Activate. For more information, visit our website, openvpn.net. On the Resources tab, we have documentations and tutorials.